video, I'll show you how to convert images with Photopea step by step. Whether you want to convert PNG to JPG, JPG to PNG, WebP to PNG, PSD to JPG, or change images into other popular formats, Photopea makes the process simple and completely free. First, open your web browser and go to **Photopea.com**. Once the website loads, click ***file***, then **open**, and select the image you want to convert from your computer. You can also drag and drop the image directly into the Photopea workspace. After the image opens, check that everything looks correct. If needed, you can make quick edits like cropping, resizing, adjusting colors, or adding text before converting the file. Now, click ***file***, then export as ***. You'll see a list of supported formats, including JPG**, **PNG**, WebP**, GIF**, **SVG**, PDF**, and more. Select the format you want to convert your image into. Once you've chosen a format, adjust the export settings if necessary. For JPG files, you can change the quality to balance image clarity and file size. For PNG files, you'll keep high image quality and can preserve transparent backgrounds. Review the preview to make sure you're satisfied with the result. Next, click **save***. Your browser will ask where you want to save the converted image. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a name if needed, and click Save** again. Your image has now been successfully converted and is ready to use for websites, social media, printing, presentations, or any other purpose. And that's how you can convert images with Photopea quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.